Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Carpentersville, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Elgin, Arlington Heights, Schaumburg, Palatine, Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Hoffman Estates, Glenview, Elmhurst, Buffalo Grove, Bartlett, O'Hare Airport, Streamwood, Hanover Park, Wheeling, Park Ridge, Addison, Northbrook, Elk Grove Village and Niles. Including the following interstates: Interstate 90 between mile markers 57 and 77. Interstate 290 between mile markers 1 and 15. Interstate 355 near mile marker 30. This includes Open Community College, Schaumburg Boomers Baseball, and Harper College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a special weather statement.